It's World Museum Day. Let's take you to Museo de Intramuros.
Hi guys, we're dito Intramuros for a special event dito kasi sa tabi ng PLM sa walls.
It's not my first time in Intramuros, but it's been a while since I've been here.
So we're here at the Light and Sound Museum.
Also called Intramuros and Rizal Bagong Bayan Light and Sound Museum, is an interactive museum which used to be called the Ateneo del Company. We also pass Cuartel de Santa Lucia as we come closer to our destination. Finally, we arrive at Museo de Intramuros, located along Real and Arzobispo streets. This used to be San Ignacio Church and Convent by the Jesuits, and Ateneo is just across the street. The original structure was designed by Felix Rojas Sr., the first recorded Filipino architect. The church was destroyed in World War II and was burning for days due to its vast hardwood parts. The museum opened in 2018 and used to be a parking lot, basketball court, and sometimes an open-air events prior to its rebuilding. For now, the Casa Mission has been inaugurated initially as San Ignacio Church is still under construction.
Tayo sa Museo de Intramuros. One of the interesting parts here is this hole, which actually has a foundation or yung original structure ng dating simbahan dito sa Museo de Intramuros. And yeah, you can see it's really dark, may tubig, and it's kind of creepy, pero ganda.
Though the building is modernly built to accommodate functions such as elevators, plumbing, and electricals, there are certain areas showing the original structures integrated to keep its original appeal. Managed by the Intramuros administration, the museum now houses various religious artifacts, statues, paintings, and art which mostly came from old churches during the Spanish era. As the halls of Casa Mission are filled with religious artworks, they give that sense of influence of Spain and the Catholic Church during those times, which held a stronghold in Intramuros. We are also excited when San Ignacio Church will be completed, as it also celebrates the Jesuit order for their contribution in education, spirituality, and growth in the country. This video was posted during the quarantine period of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, we continue to celebrate the contributions of museums in our life, which helps shape our views of history, art, spirituality, philosophy, and many more. We hope that soon we can visit them soon, as we also take care of our cultural treasures for future generations. For Manila to Life in Lakbayani, this is FBJ Jr.